Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to have you here. I'm Leilani, a chef, a clinical nutritionist, and a super busy mum who knows firsthand that staying healthy in today's world can feel, well, really hard to bring into an already packed day with endless work and family commitments. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be. My mission is to simplify all that super dry health science jargon into easy, enjoyable, and practical health improving bites you can actually use at home every day in a matter of minutes. Whether it's turning your favorite meals like pasta into gut-friendly recipes that taste amazing and are actually good for you instead of harmful, the best supermarket buys for your health, or smart strategies to save money while still eating well. And I talk a lot about the latest hot topics on anti-aging, detox, weight loss, or even how you can turn those villainous foods like bread and dairy into gut-friendly goodies with ancient kitchen techniques. I'm here to help you and your family get better health at home by taking the knowledge from the best minds in the business and applying it to your everyday busy life to boost your brain, body, and microbiome, all without giving up the foods you love or losing your mind in the kitchen. Because let's face it, life is way too short for boring food. Let's get real for a second. Science is showing us that gut health isn't just important, it's the foundation of overall health of our body. As Hippocrates, the ancient Greek physician, puts it, all disease begins in the gut. It's the master control of metabolism, mood, skin health, energy, heart health, and even how you age. Every system in the body is connected to your gut ecosystem, which is also called your microbiome. And when your gut is thriving, everything else just falls into place. You'll have more energy, feel happier. It's much easier to keep off the kilos and get away with cheat days. Alternatively, if your gut is in a bad way, which is the norm in this heavily polluted world, you'll feel depression, anxiety, bloated, not able to shift weight, fatigue, and the list goes on. That's why gut health is the primary focus on this channel, and just how you can better it in a few minutes a day with the right nutrition advice. And the best news is that your gut microbiome can change in as little as one day just by what you eat. But don't worry, we'll also dive into hot topics like the best science supporting anti-aging secrets, natural detox tricks, and sustainable and still fun weight loss strategies. Because it's all connected. A little about me. I have a bachelor's degree in nutritional medicine and I worked in private practice, helping clients improve their health, which most often starts with a healthy gut. But I'm also a chef at heart. And let me tell you, food is one of the most powerful ways to look better and feel better on the inside and out. But I'm not going to make you eat boring salads or typical bland health food. So I'll be showing you how to include foods like pasta, sausage rolls, and even buttered chicken, and how to transform your favorite meals into something that's actually good for your gut instead of hurting it. I want you to enjoy life and still have great gut health. I'm also a working mum cooking for a family of 4, so trust me, I get the chaos of family life. As for me, about 70% of the time I'm whipping up gut-friendly meals that my family love and keeping our bodies happy. The other 30%, well, I enjoy life and eat whatever I want. If that's fries or a slice of cake, a cheeky drink, because when your gut health is in check, your body can handle a lot more indulgence. And I'm all about balance. So what's this channel all about? I'm rolling together everything I've learned as a professional chef, clinical nutritionist, obsessed with gut health, and a busy mum into one place. So here you can expect cooking classes. Every week I'll show you how to sneak gut-loving foods into your daily meals. From one-pot wonders to lunchbox lovables for the whole fam. I challenge you to learn one recipe a week because that's 50 new gut health recipes at the end of the year that will support you and your family's health for years to come. So number 2, I talk gut health and hot topics. Every week, I'll break down the nerdy science of the hottest topics into simple, practical takeaways on everything gut health. Also including the top nutrition and lifestyle, weight loss strategies, detox hacks, anti-aging secrets. If there's something specific you're curious about, I want to know more, drop a comment below, let me know what you want to learn. Maybe it's a trending superfood or a burning nutrition question. I'm here to make sure you get credible, science-backed answers without having to dig through dodgy Google search results at 2 a.m. Have you ever wondered what a busy nutritionist mum eats? I'll share my daily routines, my meal prep tips, and how I keep it all cheap and cheerful and simple, even in today's wild economy. At the heart of everything I do is this belief: when you take care of your gut, everything else starts to fall into place. Because the gut is the gatekeeper of your body. It's the place where the toxic outside world meets your delicate inside world. Check out my free gut health talk if you're interested to learn more. The link will be below. Your gut isn't just about digestion. It's a powerhouse for nutrient absorption to help your cells function at their best. Hormone regulation, detoxify the bad stuff, and even your mood and mental clarity is determined by the state of your gut, which is dire for most of us in this dirty modern world, which is why so many people are really sick right now. When your gut is robust, you'll feel the difference. More energy, better skin, and yes, even weight loss becomes easier. And don't worry, I'm not here to guilt you into kale-only meals. We're keeping it delicious, fun, balanced, and yes, sometimes with a cheeky drink in hand while we cook. So if you're ready to make gut health simple, delicious, and something you can actually do every day, go ahead, hit that like button and subscribe. Because every week I'll be dropping hot, gut-boosting recipes, fresh science, and all the top nutrition tips you need to stay on track, even with a crazy schedule. And add me on Instagram at Chef Leilani. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'm so excited to help you take control of your health in a way that feels doable daily. And remember, as Anne Wigmore once said, the food you eat can either be the safest and most powerful form of medicine or the slowest form of poison. So let's make every bite count and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.